and we will be going inside the Detroit Auto Show today at 9 o'clock. It's about 7:30 now, so we gotta wait a little bit, but I wanted to bring it to you first, and we're gonna be showing you a lot of stuff on the inside, all the new products, and hopefully some Camaros. We'll see. In the new Hummer EV, and test out Watts to Freedom. GNC EV. Watts to Freedom, under 4 seconds, I believe, if memory serves me right. Well, we're talking about 10,000 pounds almost of the Hummer EV. And they got Teslas here, they got the Cadillac Lyrics. Also have the Ford Mustangs, and here comes the beautiful Hummer. I wonder if they're going to show us a little crab walk. That would be cool.
Thank you.
So we're going to do a little video here.
Hydrating.
And show you how this is going to be. Once Tonya finishes up her little computer sketch here. Yep, just waiting for her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just waiting for the lady. Alright, I feel like that happens all the time. Look at this Hummer EV. We're about to take a ride in. And I love that green flat matte paint. Really makes all the black accents stand out for sure. Let us know what you think in the comments, and be able to remember to smash that like button and subscribe, please and thank you. We really do appreciate it, and we'll keep bringing you content like this, especially since we just flew out here in Detroit. You want to be in the front? You can choose. Up to you.
Recording, you want to jump in the front?
Sure.
Hop on in.
How you guys doing?
Good. How you doing?
Very good, thank you. Welcome to the Hummer EV.
Thank you.
Is everybody okay with rapid accelerations and decelerations?
Oh yeah.
All right.
100%.
Seatbelts on. We're all good.
Thanks, everybody.
Appreciate it. Watts to Freedom.
Yeah. I've heard of the Watts to Freedom. I haven't pulled it up to watch it yet because I just got here today.
Okay.
So I am interested in looking at it. But have you seen it?
Just the videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will say that this is all it's cracked up to be. It's pretty intense. It's just under 9,000 pounds. It's 850 horsepower. It's 11,500 foot-pounds of torque. 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, which we're about to find out right now. Let me know when you're ready and you want to see it.
Ooh, yeah, go
good?
for it.
All right.
Oh yeah. Woo! That was awesome.
Yeah. It does have 4-wheel steer. That operates under 25 miles an hour. You can turn that off as well, but it will lock itself up over 25 miles an hour so you don't get too squirrely. Okay. But when you're under that range, it really is nice for these tighter turns. You can take a big vehicle and just whip it right around real easy. So that comes in handy. The crab walk feature is nice. It's more useful for off-road, like traversing oblong terrain and stuff like that. I was kind of picturing maybe it would be a parallel parking aid. It's not as aggressive as a term for me for that, so I haven't used it as much in here, but it is a neat feature to have.
I feel like you wouldn't really need to. You got enough space.
Yeah, exactly. And then the range is like 329 miles per charge, which is I think in that general vicinity with most other EVs. But having this weight and the power is pretty cool. So
now is the details on the inside? That's the moon, right? Moon?
I think so. Yeah. But they didn't give me a lot of detail on that because I just drive. But the product specialists will know more about the actual design technique and stuff like that for it.
Okay, sweet. We appreciate it.
No, thank you.
Thank
guys.
you so much.
Have a great day.
Appreciate it.
Oh,
oops, you're good. You're good.
Go ahead.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Let the lady out first. Thank you so much.
Take care, right?
Have a good one. Yes, thank you. What do you think, babe?
Goes.
It definitely goes. They threw you back in the seat. I'll have to try some of the other electric ones. It definitely threw you back in the seat. For almost 9,000 pounds?
I know, that's a heavy ass.
It's a heavy ass vehicle. But it got some giddy up. So we'll post that one next.
It will.
Stay tuned.